This Proctor Silex single burner cooktop is a versatile and reliable addition to any kitchen or outdoor cooking setup. With 1200 watts of power, this compact and portable hot plate offers quick heating and a range of temperature settings, making it suitable for various cooking needs. Whether you're boiling water for tea, cooking a meal, or keeping food warm, this electric stove promises convenience and efficiency. The Proctor Silex single burner cooktop is ideal for a variety of situations. 1. Holiday cooking. Provides extra cooking space when preparing large meals for family gatherings. 2. Home renovations. A handy tool when your main kitchen appliances are unavailable. 3. Camping and travel. Its portability makes it perfect for outdoor adventures and travel. 4. Small kitchens, ideal for apartments, dorms, and any setting with limited kitchen space. 5. Office use, convenient for preparing or warming meals at work. The Proctor Silex single burner cooktop features a sleek white and stainless steel finish, which not only looks modern but also blends well with most kitchen decors. Its compact size makes it easy to store and transport, an essential feature for those with limited kitchen space or those who enjoy cooking on the go. The cooktop is equipped with non-slip rubber feet that provide stability and prevent it from sliding on countertops, ensuring safe and steady use. The cooktop has a hinged 5.5-inch diameter coil, which can be lifted to access the plate underneath for easy cleaning. This thoughtful design element simplifies maintenance, ensuring that the cooktop remains clean and efficient over time. Powered by 1200 watts, the Proctor Silex single burner cooktop heats up quickly, making it ideal for tasks that require immediate heat, such as boiling water for tea or coffee. The adjustable temperature control allows users to select the desired heat level, ranging from warm to high, providing the flexibility needed for various cooking tasks. Whether you need to simmer a delicate sauce or bring a pot of water to a rapid boil, this hot plate delivers consistent and reliable performance. The cooktop is compatible with all types of cookware, including aluminum, which cannot be used on induction cookers. This versatility means you can use your existing pots and pans without needing to invest in new cookware. One of the standout features of the Proctor Silex single burner cooktop is its portability. Weighing in at just a few pounds and with a compact footprint, it is easy to move from place to place. This makes it an excellent choice for holiday cooking, home renovations, camping trips, or even as an extra burner during large family gatherings. The power indicator light lets you know when the cooktop is plugged in and ready to use, adding an extra layer of convenience and safety. The adjustable temperature dial on this portable electric stove allows for precise control over cooking temperatures. Whether you're keeping a dish warm at a low temperature or cooking something at a high heat, the Proctor Silex single burner cooktop handles it all. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of cooking tasks, from making a simple cup of tea to preparing a full meal. Safety is a crucial consideration with any cooking appliance, and the Proctor Silex single burner cooktop does not disappoint. The non-slip rubber feet keep the cooktop stable on your countertop, reducing the risk of accidental spills or slides. The power indicator light is a useful feature, clearly indicating when the appliance is on and helping to prevent accidental burns or misuse. Maintaining the Proctor Silex single burner cooktop is straightforward, thanks to its easy-to-clean design. After the coil has cooled completely, it can be lifted to access the plate underneath, making it simple to wipe away spills and drips. This ease of cleaning ensures that the cooktop remains hygienic and in good working condition, even with regular use. Customer feedback. Users have praised the Proctor Silex single burner cooktop for its quick heating, versatility, and ease of use. Many appreciate its compact size and portability, making it a favorite for camping trips and small kitchens. The adjustable temperature control is another commonly highlighted feature, allowing for precise cooking. However, some users have noted that the power cord is relatively short, which might require using an extension cord in certain situations. Conclusion: The Proctor Silex Single Burner Cooktop is a practical and versatile addition to any kitchen. Its powerful 1-in-200-watt heating element, adjustable temperature control, and compatibility with all types of cookware make it a reliable choice for a wide range of cooking tasks. The compact and portable design ensures that it can be used in various settings, from home kitchens to outdoor adventures. With its easy-to-clean plate and stable, non-slip rubber feet, this electric burner offers convenience, safety, and efficiency in a stylish package. Whether you need an extra burner for holiday cooking or a portable solution for your next camping trip, the Proctor Silex Single Burner Cooktop is a dependable and affordable option. If you found this review helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.